So I'm going to be cooking again. Let's go. Last time it didn't go well. This time, I guess I'll try my best to not mess up. This time it's going to be pasta with green peas, veggies, broccoli, carrot, capsicums, okay, onions, cheese, salt, and cream with sauce. Yep. Let's begin. Let's get into the video. Okay. First you wash it. I already washed it. Now we have these carrots, which I'm going to peel with a peeler. I don't know what this is actually called. I think it's a peeler. And okay, can I even edit this? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, look at this cool edit. That's it. Okay, that's the edit. This is actually what I shaped it like when my mom told me it was meant to be like this, so she cut it like this. It doesn't matter. I guess I'll just use this and eat this. I'm hungry. Okay, so I'm gonna film it like this. I'll show my face. There's the carrot. And then the capsicum, which I'm actually gonna cut. I'm too tired of making edits. So now I'm gonna cut this part. So this is what I have at the moment, and now I'll cut the onion, okay? So, yeah. Here's the onion. Now cut the garlic, and I'll show you. I might actually just do an edit now. I kind of want to try it out. Yeah, that's. Let me introduce them again, okay? Broccoli, garlic, carrots, capsicum, green capsicum, onions, red capsicums. These carrots that we don't care about these. I'm gonna eat them. Why do I keep forgetting its name? Okay. Pasta, green peas, cheese, sauce. Okay, whatever. And yeah, cooking cream. Jesus. Now that I already put oil, I'll just wait. Put garlic later, then onion, all these veggies. Put them all in. I didn't cook chicken today. That's too much responsibility. I'll just do these veggies. I guess it's vegetarian. Pasta? Okay, it's okay. Here it comes. The garlic. Okay, this is kind of scary. Okay, wait, it's gonna take. Okay, this is why I need two hands. Jeez, okay, two hands. Oh, okay. No carrots. Maybe. Wait, okay. now I put this there, and the video finishes. This looks amazing. I mean, it always looks like this, but it looks amazing and it smells so good too. Now I only have to clean it all. Oh my god, this is gonna be so boring. Okay, so if you liked the video and you enjoyed it somehow, then like and subscribe. It really helps me out and kind of motivates me to keep on making stupid cooking videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I cleaned it all up, and this is how it all looks at the moment. It's, I mean, not bad. Okay, now I actually get to eat in peace, finally. So yeah. Now it's the moment I'll say bye. Bye.